Okay, so we finished the answer the first question, right? And we can try to answer the second question, the greeting function name and time. So depends on the time. If the time in from the 9 to 12 is a morning, right? Return the morning. Good afternoon. Afterwards is is going to be return the good afternoon, right? Okay. So now I tell the secret of the testing file, right? So here is the testing file. This is the first exercise, and this is the second exercise. If we only want to test the second exercise, we can just use dot only here, right? Dot only, and we run npm test. It's going to only test this two, right? It's going to only test this two test case. The others will be skipped. Now we try to finish this one. Okay. Time if time larger than here. Okay. Smaller. Maybe we can just say if time smaller than 13. Probably we can like this. Greeting. Afternoon, right? If smaller than this, equals, right? So we just simplify that, and the return is, so what's the return? Good, right? Okay, return this one. We just copy this. We can use the template string. So here is a name, right? Name, and here this one is the greet. Okay, simplify that. Run this. Okay, passed, right? Passed. But of course, this is probably not the best solution. You can simplify that. There are a lot of other ways. The third question is check value. If it's nullish, return input is nullish. If false, return false, right? Okay. If R equals defined, this is strict equal, right? Or equals now return your input is a nullish value. Put this nullish value. Now we can return well. So just check your input is a true C value. Otherwise, is the false value, right? Your input is a false value. Okay, that's it. If it's undefined or null, because for the nullish value, there are only two possible values, right? So we use strict, compare, equal. Otherwise, if well, so that's true C value, otherwise false value, right? We go to the test, we remove this only, and we try to do the exercise 3, right? Only. Okay, now we run this. Passed, right? No problem. And then we go to the question 4. word length take a single parameter sentence should return the length of each word in the given part. Okay, hello my world. Okay, so here we can use this sentence, right? Dot split. Okay, so this become array, right? Become array, and also based on this array, we can use map. So this each string return string dot length, right? Okay, we just return this. But here we need to be careful because if it's the empty string, we can have a try of this first, right? See what happens. So the exercise 4, exercise 4. I'm going to try exercise 4. Oh, sorry, this file I haven't saved it. To save, so you check here. You need to save all the file. See, okay. 2, 3, 4. Return the length of each in a sentence. Here, see the problem is expect this, but return that one, right? So expect an array of. We look at here. So expect if input empty array should return an empty. If input empty string should return an empty array, but what we have is we return array with 0 here, right? So that is a special case, edge cases. Therefore, we need to add this one manually. If empty string return empty array, right? So just use this one. Passed, right? So it's passed. Okay, we go to exercise 5. Write a function capitalize string that take a single parameter, and the function should return you with the first letter of each word. Okay, so hello my world should return hello my world, right? Okay, so this one is also we need to think about the edge case. If it's empty, return empty, right? Return empty. Otherwise, sentence dot split, so become array of word, right? And also for each of this word, we're going to replace dot map, replace the sentence, okay, and as 0 dot to uppercase plus s dot slice 1, right? So the rest and split and it's called join. Okay, join this one and return. Okay, we try see if it works. Split to an array of word and make the first character to be capital, right? So add the rest of them and joined by space. For the testing one, we remove this. Look at here, capitalize, right? Okay, dot only. Try to. Okay, done, right? Done. It's question 5. Now we look at question 6. Write a function rotate array that take 2 parameters. The first one is array integer repeat value. The second, okay. All right. So this is rotate array, right? So if this array is here, there could be a multiple way to answer this question. So if we can, an easy way is we can use the recursion. So if number of rotation, the value is never. If we use the number of rotation, right, should return here. We put the first. If number rotation equals 0, return array, right? Return the array. Otherwise, we're going to rotate, right? We're going to rotate. So it will take the last one. So last equals array dot pop, right? Okay, and we array dot unshift last, right? Put this last and return rotate array right and number rotation -1, right? Okay, -1. Okay, that is. So this is probably not the best solution because we mutate this input array, right? But it should work. So maybe we change this less than 2, right? Smaller than 2. So in the 1, we go to here. If 0, going less than 1. Yes, should be less than 1. Okay, we have a try. This question 6. Okay. Try. Okay, works. Great. So this second part.